I grabbed this camera after so many months of not filming anything. I feel like we all go through that phase where we're not motivated to do anything. We just don't even know what we're doing. We don't know what's happening, right? Like, we just don't know. So I was there, but I had a call and a conversation with someone the other day, and they gave me a great advice. You know, I felt unmotivated for many reasons, but one of them, just to make it quick, the whole story, it takes a long time, you guys. A long time, and a lot of how do I explain it? If you are a YouTuber, if you record videos and if you put videos on YouTube, you know it takes time, you know, and time is what we don't have throughout the day, especially if you work an 8 to 5 like I do, but that's a different story. So I was just feeling unmotivated because I wasn't getting anywhere, right? But it was fulfilling me, right? So she told me, at the end of the day, you do it because you like it. Don't do it to fulfill anybody else. Do it to fulfill yourself. So I said, you know what? That is so true. I really, really enjoyed, and I still enjoy filming videos, but there was a feeling that I had after posting the video, even though I didn't get any likes or comments or whatever, like, oh my god, it's done, this is what I did, I'm so proud of myself. So fulfilling myself, I think that was a reward after all. And I'm going back to that, you know, like, it's fine, it'll take me a time to grow, because at the end of the day I have goals, but let me trust the process, and we're back on track. So that's what I wanted to say. Today has been such a crazy, I don't want to call it crazy, I'll call it like an odd, weird day. It's Saturday, and I usually wake up at 7. I woke up at 7, and usually I have Bible study in the morning. I did, but then after I go to the gym, and like I just keep going. Today I had Bible study, I knocked out right after. Like, it's currently, let me tell you, almost 2 o'clock, yo. Like, almost 2 o'clock. And I've been up since like 1 o'clock, I would say. I do have a treatment, the Olaplex #3. So usually I do that like once or twice a month, just depending on how my hair is. So it's being a little bit dry. So I did it again this month. But yeah, I have it on. I'm gonna leave it on until like later tonight, because I'm going to the gym after. And then, since I have been just like sleeping all day and I need energy, it took me forever to get up, I'm drinking this Celsius drink. It's the peach mango green tea non-carbonated drink, and to be honest, it's not my favorite. It doesn't taste bad, but I really like the carbonated effect, and I feel like it just tastes watered down. Like, it's just really like just like a hint of flavor, and I really like the drinks that are like stronger, like the peach flavor that I tried the other day, but that's like a limited flavor. That one's really good. Apple and pear, that one is really good. But this one is just like watered down, so it's not my favorite, but I'll just finish it. So right now I'm just putting my clothes away, and let me show you this closet. So this closet here is the one in the bathroom, and I wanted to show you quickly because I'm putting some towels away. So I grabbed all these baskets, this one and that one, from Target. I ordered them online. They were like $5. Honestly, I don't remember the price, but they were not expensive. Maybe like $7 to $10. I don't know. So all of these are labeled. This one is hair products. I have to organize everything again. This one is like nail stuff. That one is pillowcases. This one is personal care products. And then this one at the bottom, you guys, I have to say is my favorite one. I got it from, what's this place called? Burlington Co. Factory. They were closing down, or they were moving actually. I got it for like $12, and it's so big. Like, maybe in camera it doesn't look huge, but I was having a hard time finding the perfect basket to go here because this space is big, but it's odd at the same time. And it's great, it's perfect, because here we keep paper towels. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. What the heck? I'll just push it back in there. And extra robes that we have, also blankets for when we're like cold in the living room, toilet papers. Super cute. Now it's not organized, but it's a vibe, honey. It's a vibe. So yeah, this is how my closet is looking like. Super cute. Towels, we keep the colored ones all the way in the back because it doesn't go with the vibe, but we do typically use, I do use wet towels, and Teddy uses gray towels. So that's what we have. These I got from, I want to say maybe TJ Maxx or Home Goods, and I honestly just labeled them on my own. I just printed, I do have some labels, so I just like printed them. And these I also did myself. To be honest, let me tell you, this is like a DIY thing. So I had box braids a couple of years ago, and I bought like thread just to braid and just add some accessories to the braids. And it was a whole like bundle, like it was just so big, and I just didn't need that much, so I kept them for future box braids. And I was like, what am I going to use to label these things? So I have cardstock. If you don't know what cardstock is, just like paper, but it's like stronger. And I selected the font that I wanted and whatever. So, and then I just use this, and tell me that this is not a vibe. So I had so much fun doing it, creating everything. I think the closet is coming together. I might add a few more pieces, but so far it's very organized, which is what I like. So right now I'm gonna continue putting things away, and then we'll see how the day goes. I'm going to the gym after, so yes. Yes, we are going to the gym finally. This is my, oh, I almost tripped. This is my outfit right now. I'm sure you guys have seen these pants a lot of times, but one of my favorites from Women's Best, and this top is from Amazon. And then my shoes are Nike, in my bag from Nike too. So let's go work out. The gym. Let's go work out. Ooh, who do you think you are? Popular with 4,000 Reels views. Let's go. Okay, what do you have to tell your followers?
My followers, go and subscribe for more exclusive content. Now
you actually follow on Instagram, you don't subscribe.
Huh?
You follow on Instagram, you don't subscribe.
You're right, you're right. Old hair, you know. Alright, shit, what am I?
Let's go!
What am I forgetting?
Nothing.
Right.
I'm freezing! It's so cold. And we left the windows open, so our place is 70 degrees right now. Yes, super cold. So which means I am not making a protein shake. I'm going to try something different, which is a trial and error. I'm going to make hot chocolate, and I'm going to add protein powder in it. Let's see if it works, because I'm so cold and I'm not drinking a protein shake right now. Not happening. Where's my mug? I know that this is a lot of sugar. I already added 1 scoop of the protein powder and a whole bag of just hot chocolate, but it's okay. I'm too cold. I did my workout. I technically only had 1 meal today, so that's fine. A little bit of sugar is not gonna kill me. Let me see. Doesn't taste bad. It doesn't even taste like protein at all. just has to melt a little bit more. But it tastes fine, just like regular hot chocolate. When I finish drinking my hot chocolate, and then I'm gonna shower, finally look like a person, because I haven't showered today. TMI, I know. Went to the gym, didn't even shower. It is what it is. Whatever. I got to a point where I don't really care. Oh my god, let me show you. So we bought this rug from Rug Saraz, and this rug is gorgeous, you guys. Like, it's really, let me get closer so you can see it. It's really, really pretty. But it sheds so much, and I really don't want to return it, but I do at the same time because it just sheds everywhere. So I don't know what to do because our apartment is finally coming together. We love the rug, but it just doesn't make sense to keep it because it just sheds so much, but it's so pretty. I have this frother that I got from my sister. She got it from Amazon. I got it for Christmas last year. And hold on, I'm trying to open it. Oh my gosh, hold on. So I added a little bit of my hot chocolate here, and I started just frothing it, and it's super cool because you have cold and hot. So I'm gonna press hot because I don't want it to overdone it. I just want to make sure this thing is not dissolving, so I just want to make sure that doing it in here. Oh yeah, guys, it is dissolving in here. The protein powder was not dissolving, so yep. I mean, the thing is dirty. Hold on. See, it's clean. Let me do it in to see if it's dissolving. Yep, it is. Oh my god, this is so cool. I just invented something. Alright, so now that it's fully dissolved and with a lot of foam, like I like my drinks, my hot drinks, let me try it again. I mean, just because I know it has protein in it, I can kind of taste that it's like a healthy hot chocolate, you know what I mean? Like something else is in there, but it doesn't taste bad. Shit, it didn't dissolve. I'm still chewing. No, this shit didn't work. Forget about it. I didn't invent anything. What a bummer.